There's plenty of fish in the sea, and I know you want that fish, but you can't have it. It's already cooked, man. It's even burnt. I see that shit. Maybe he was having like the 5-year age. He said in marriage there's like a 5-year. People just hook a count to say. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm actually about to twist my hair up. Because I do like a braid out and then I add one of these flexi rods or one of these little, what's it called? Perm rods at the bottom. Anyway, that's not what this video is about. This video, yeah. Let's tell you how it all happened. I just want you to keep this in mind. Respect the sisterhood. Respect the sisterhood. I was chilling on Facebook. Probably like past 10 or something, you know, unholy hours. Okay. Oh, and then this guy messaged me and I'm like, oh, I know this name, like I'm sure we went to church together. This other church that we used to go to. And I think he complimented me on my display pictures. Oh, I'm like, thank you. And then and then he goes, I want to get to know you more if you don't mind. Let me just repeat that. I want to get to know you more if you don't mind. Let's just back up a bit. Pack, maybe a pull over. Homie's married. Married. 2 people. Union, man, woman. Don't be deceived. Married. Literally married. I'm like, this guy's married. Why is he asking me, I want to get to know you more? Because we all know what that line means. I want to get to know you, you know? And I'm like, hold up a second. So at this point, I'm like, Deborah, you only have 2 options. You either just don't reply, just end the conversation, or you need to come back with the comeback. Get it, like? So then I back to the unread, yeah? And I went on his profile. And I could see that his current picture is him and his wife. And then his before picture, before the current one, is him and his wife. And I think they had like a 5-year anniversary or something. So he's got a whole spiel of 5 years ago I married my sister, my best friend, my auntie, my uncle, my niece, my goat, my chicken. You get what I mean? It was a lot. To God be the glory, great things he has done. All this sort of thing, like, oh Charlie, but now you're asking me if you want to get to know me more. And you're married. Eh? So and then it dawned on me, what's that verse in the Bible? What's that verse? Is it John chapter 4 verse 16, something like that? You know, the woman at the well? And I'm like, yes. Oh, what did you just say to the woman at the well? He said, go on, bring your husband. And she said, no, Charlie, I don't have husband. He said, you're correct, you don't have husband. So me too, I thought about it. I'm like, oh, let me hit him with the line. So I went and went, how is your wife doing? What's that called? Question mark, exclamation mark, full stop. Respect the sisterhood. So I hit him with that line, no reply. I think he replied the next day or something. But before that he was, hey, back here. Hey, back here. Why are you as a married man coming up to me asking me if you want to get to know me more, if I don't mind? So the ball is my course. If I mind, it can go, and if I don't mind, like, no, come on, man. And especially nowadays with technology, screenshotting is the king. People can screenshot anything. So you need to be careful what you write to people. And it's wrong that he even came at me and said that to me. But me entertaining it or even go, oh, my name is Deborah. Knowingly knowing that the guy was married is so wrong. It's so wrong. We just need to respect the sisterhood. Like, how's your wife doing? How's she doing? Just do the right thing, honestly. Lady, just do the right thing. There's plenty of fish in the sea, and I know you want that fish, but you can't have it. It's already cooked, man. It's even burnt. I see that shit. I don't know. Maybe he was having like the 5-year age. He said in marriage there's like a 5-year. People just hook a count to say, yeah. So maybe that was it. But just respect the sisterhood. Respect people's husbands and boyfriends and, you know, stuff like that. Just respect that. Like, no-go area. No. I remember a few days ago I was watching Strawberry Letter by Bronze Goddess, and I think the title was called He's Still Not Changed After the Wedding or something. And basically the way these 2 people got together, they were both in relationships already, and then they were kind of sneaking around for like a few months, and then they ended up getting together. 5 years down the line, the lady is now married to the man, and now the man is cheating on her. And it's like, your foundation of this relationship was so wrong to begin with, and now you're surprised that that person you married is doing the same thing you guys were doing before you got together. It's like, you need to start off right. It's me when I'm walking down the street and I see a couple, I just go, I just hide my face, man. I just don't give them that 2 seconds. I feel like some things are just unspoken rules, secret things. Like, come on, that's a marriage, yo. Don't be It's not a small thing. It's not small. And I'm sure this day and age people don't really respect marriage as much, but I do, okay? And I just think about it, like, if it was me, like, how would I appreciate someone doing that? And I just wouldn't. So I wouldn't do it to someone else. But I feel like some ladies may get a buzz of, oh, my girl, my best friend's man looking at me, or my best friend's husband looking at me like, give me the eye. And they say hurt people, but come on, when is the cycle gonna stop? We've all been heads on a few times. It's okay. I'm joking. Nah, I'm not laughing at that. Yeah, continuing this cycle of hurt is not right. What does that got to do with anything? I don't know, man. It's just the word of God is just flicking on me, man. It's just soaking me. I think if more women, and I'm not even trying to say the guys should not be accountable for stuff, but I think if more women just respected the sisterhood and said, hey, yo, this is someone's husband, then the world would be a better place. So, you know, do the right thing, and the right thing will come to you like a swimming worm. Anda de cocotree, hey.